Hey, and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. In our video, we are going to share with you how we make delicious, nutritious bone broth. If you have always wondered, what is the secret to this wonderfully nutritious drink that can also be added to different recipes? Follow us today, and we will show you how we extract all the nutrients from our bone broth. Hey everyone, welcome to City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is a way of life. I'm Tammy.
I'm Cora.
And we want to show you how we make bone broth, so follow us along.
It's pretty easy.
If you're getting value in our videos, be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that when we upload our current videos, you'll be notified. Also share our videos on social media. Thank you for becoming a part of this growing community. You can pretty much use any of the animal bones that you want to make bone broth. We're focusing on chicken and turkey because we raise our own farm fresh chicken and turkey. Once you have cooked your meat and only have left your bones and skin, you can take those scraps and make your delicious bone broth. Remember, you will add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the mix. This will extract the collagen. This broth has way more nutrition in it than just stewing your bones for a while. You put apple cider vinegar in it, which extracts all of the great nutrition, and it extracts all the collagen from the marrow of the bones and the ligaments of the animal. This turns into a gelatin-based substance that is very healthy for your body and great for your gut as well. Here we are making turkey bone broth. What I have done is I've added my freeze-dried celery and little baby carrots. I've got some freeze-dried onions that I threw in there. I'll put some links to the freeze-dried foods that I use. I use Thrive Life Foods. And I've taken half of my turkey carcass and I'm making bone broth in my Crock-Pot. Putting it on low because you don't want it to be too high, otherwise it doesn't gel properly. And so we're going to let this cook for some 8 to 10 hours and see how it is. The other half of my turkey carcass, I am making some turkey soup. Okay, we're going to dampen our flour sack towel. Juices will flow better through the towel if it's already pre-dampened. With that, and we're going to have a big bowl underneath to catch all of the drippings. Now I'm going to, oops, that's a little too close. Now I'm going to take out all the very large bones first and put them aside in a bucket. And then I will later take them and feed them to the animals. I would have got the kiddos to help me, however, it's very late and they're all headed in bed. So we'll let that just drain through the luscious bone broth. Then I'm going to put that in the refrigerator so that all of the fat will float to the top. Say hello.
Hi.
Smile. Say hi.
Hi.
Making turkey broth. Here are all the scraps that are left that I'm going to feed to the animals. And we have our beautiful, luscious bone broth down below. That is full of collagen that will keep us healthy and strong. Now it's ready for the freezer in reusable plastic mayonnaise jars. Enjoy today's coffee quote. Thank you all for joining us today on our bone broth adventure.
Homesteading adventures.
As always,
As always.
happy homesteading adventures.